Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today, we are going to see about the future issues of the digital forensics. The first one is the shifting landscape. Okay, from whenever we have some data from volumes, which is mean with the IoT data, by 2030 it's going to be exploited. That is how we can do that. Maintaining the chain of custody in a world where data is volatile and automated is a great challenge. Next is AI-driven agentic crimes. So we know that the criminals now use agentic AI to automate attacks, right? So you know what is agentic AI, right? So what is agentic AI is like whenever we have some attacks creating generate polymorphic malware that leaves fewer traces. So, or we can say in other term as it is one of the AI tool or platform named agentic. Okay, so building an AI agent like a chatbot, okay, or automation system or something else maybe. Okay, so it could be something which is related to a chat box system, like a chat box system which does everything. Okay, so whatever thing it helps you, right? The chatbot system like that. Agentic AI is also one of the newest and most important trend in AI right now. So it may think, decide and act on its own to achieve the goal. Okay, that is what is the thing is. So it can think, decide and act on its own to achieve its goal. So it will plan some steps also to achieve them. Okay, so how it works is like it pauses first, it understands the situations, okay, and then it reasons, decides what to do, and then it acts, it performs some actions, and it reflects and it checks the results to improve it. Okay, so this is what is the particular agentic AI does. So using AI to fight AI was the only solution is okay. And the quantum or forensics techniques. Okay, so what is this quantum computing? You know what is quantum computing, right? So the thing is like it will be like the principles of quantum mechanics. Okay, so the principles of how the thing which decides, or we can say like in regarding to quantum forensics, we can say like it uses here a Shaw's algorithm. Okay, it uses the Shaw's algorithm here, but the main thing is it is not a single standardized field, but it is like it also uses a digital forensics, mechanics, computing, everything. Okay, the technologies to investigate for direction and to prevent the digital or physical crimes. Okay, that is what this quantum computing does. Always uses the Shaw's algorithm to factor the large number and potentially break traditional encryptions. Okay, the quantum-based evidence and detections can be used to detect even the minute traces can be done in this quantum computing. Minute traces, or we can say like it collects the digital or physical evidences. Okay, so developing the quantum resistant hash functions and digital signature for evidence is also can be done here. Cloud and multi-jurisdictional volatility. So issues data is no longer on a computer, it is scattered across AWS, Amazon Web Service, Azure and Google Cloud. The main challenge is evidence can change or it can be deleted instantly by automated cloud scripts. Okay, so the data is no longer now available. Multidisciplinary volatility. Okay, that is what is important here. And next is the IoT and the edge computing explosion. IoT and the edge computing explosion. So evidence is moving to the edge: smart cameras, connected cars, and industrial sensors. So the thing is here, everything the smart home often captures private info of innocent third parties. Okay, so nowadays the IoT devices even captures all the datas, multidisciplinary data, and it has been stored in one of the computer's presence. Okay, so how it can also be deleted, or how it can be the issue is the data is can be captured by the third parties. Anti-forensics and sophisticated obfuscation. So criminals are increasingly using the fileless malware. Okay, you know what is fileless malware? So living only in the RAM. Okay, fileless malware living only in the RAM, random access memory. The future issue is blockchain forensics, is decentralized finance and privacy coins. Tracing the money trail requires specialized node analysis tools rather than simple folder searching. So the fileless malware, we know that phishing email or malicious link that can be done here, right? So some link will be there in our inbox and we can click that link and everything can be done there. And common techniques is living off the land, uses legitimate tools. Real world example is emotet and similar threats. Okay, can be done. And the prevention methods can be like endpoint detection and response. That is only thing that can be done. Ethical and legal hurdles, a privacy paradox. The issue is right to be forgotten versus a need to investigate. So AI tool using forensics might have inherent biases in facial or voice recognitions. So courts are becoming now most skeptical of black box AI tools where the investigator can't explain how the AI is reached a conclusion.